In this video, I wanted to go over the different packages, the educational packages that one can purchase. And of course, you get the levels of education that are available at One Academy. But I also wanted to go over the promotional tokens and show you just how they work with the splits. We've developed this spreadsheet with multiple pages that shows you the different packages. And now, of course, what I want to say is that the information that you see here, the numbers are real, but as far as looking into the future, as far as the value of the one coin, that we can't be sure of. And so what you see here is strictly for example type purposes. Okay, so this is a starter package. We see here in the top left hand corner it says starter. The cost is 140 euros. And the way this works is you start with 1,000 tokens, and we're just going to use a difficulty of 79 because that's where it's at the time of this video. The value of one coin is around $8, and the increase in mining difficulty is 10, which is about $1 each time the difficulty increases. That's what it will be around. And lastly, this is the estimated percent increase in the value of one coin. 10% is conservative. Now what you see here is you get 1,000 tokens with your package, and after the first split you have 2,000 tokens, okay? And you have to wait, of course, to mine those. So we see that in this case it was actually subjected to an increase in the difficulty, the number of one coins mined, and then what you have here is the total number of one coins, okay? And you see that the estimated value is here, and over time it'll increase. Now what we want to show you is if you go up to a trader, then you have essentially the same information, and you can see that. But now notice the difference between a trader that gets one split and adding a starter to a trader. So you can see that you start with more tokens, the combined total of the two packages, but what you get is a second split. So for 140 euros you're actually able to secure a second split and go from 10,000 tokens to 24,000 tokens. Now it doesn't mean that you have to wait another 2-3 months, however long it takes to get to another split, but the rewards always outweigh the wait. Now from there we keep going on to the pro trader, a starter with a pro trader, an executive with a starter, and we go all the way up through the larger packages. So in part of your decision making process, I highly suggest that you look over this document, ask your sponsor any questions that are necessary for you to make the best decision for yourself.